definitely one of my least favorite things to do. But when you're done, it's definitely satisfying, rewarding to see a crispy. This is my first custom seat cover. I don't even got one on the 4/5. Custom. Nah, I don't think I can not do custom seat covers for all my bikes now. Like, for real. I'm gonna have to wipe it down. It is a little dusty right now. But, sheesh. It's a little on the dusty side just from the old little material from the seat cushion, and I'm definitely wasn't about to replace, and just some little dust from it just been sitting around. I should have kept it in the plastic while it's been sitting, but what it is. It look good. Her name is Liela. She's spicy, and she gonna correct you if you pronounce it wrong. You'll feel me? Speed Rage, my custom logo. You seen it before. You'll see it again on my bikes. Yeah. Just look at the body. I always go OD on the staples. But it ain't going nowhere. It's there forever. So I had this bike forever. Take it to the grave. XR100 is definitely a forever bike. You can learn to ride on it and keep it forever because it's good with everything. So, but as you can see, we got a ways to go to finish. So let's get to it. thing I don't see enough is people lubing up their loop cables. We got all new cables for this XR. Throttle, clutch, brake. I just use this blaster stuff I get from AutoZone. Works pretty good. And a little cheap cable luber off Amazon. It does make a little bit of a mess. Maybe one day I'll invest into the nicer Motion Pro one, but this gets the job done, yeah. But yeah, we'll lube the cables before we install them. Let's do it. I'm not really gonna show. I've shown it before, but put the cables in here. You tighten this thing up. This little hole right here. You stick that straw inside of that hole, and it lubes the cable. Like I said, it does leak and kind of make it a mess. That's why I always do it outside. But yeah, let's do it. Okay. 6 months later, we're down to the nitty gritty. We got our front end together. We got the Nibby quarter turn. It's really like a quarter turn. You know, I make sure mine is snappy, especially when you got a Honda. Like Honda's throttles is just like, I would put a Honda throttle on damn near any bike really, because they got the best ones. It's not under the debate. And this one is like a CR style quarter turn, and you can see like it's him. It's my first time using a Nibby throttle, but yeah, it's him. And I got the Nibby throttle for this one because what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is eventually swap this one over to the KLX 110 that we got now, and then just get a OEM CR85 throttle, you know, and put it on here. But for now, yeah, that's righteous. We got our kill switch hooked up, our clutch is hooked up. Still gotta make some adjustments. It's still, you know, Really can't really adjust it till you get to riding and stuff like that. But yeah, we got the Tuss kill switch. I just wanted something new and crispy. Yeah, I did have to make some adjustments because for some reason this one, you see right there, I basically had to splice it. Let me see if we can get in. There we go. See, I had to splice in there. That's some shrink wrapping in there, and I used the OEM little bracket right there to the ground. I just chopped it off and you know, spliced it. We put in the key switch, and the key switch I had to do the same thing for some reason. This key switch, it didn't have two male parts on it. It was one male, and that red, which is supposed to go to the green, was female for some reason. So no, that red that's supposed to go to the green was male, but this black one that's supposed to go to the black was female, so I had to splice that off. So I got it unplugged for now just because I just want to make sure everything's working, and then plug the key switch in to make sure that that's right. You know, I don't want to fry nothing. But you know, as you can see, kind of upset right here. I kind of scratched up those the foot peg right there. It ain't nothing too crazy, but yeah, I did scratch it up. Not happy about that, but that's only because the springs that came with it don't fit. So I was like, I'm gonna just kind of shim it and use like some washers in there. So it's tight, but it does have some give. So like, if I fall or something, like, it will give. And if not, man, these only $30 pegs. I just don't want it to break the bracket. That's what I don't want it to do. But it's not, like I said, it'll give. It does have some give, as you can see. Well, it's some give. But yeah, on the other side, I had some problems with the clutch getting it in, but it was just the actuator arm that I didn't, you know, install back right. You know, the grips went on smooth. That ain't nothing. Brake cable, we got it on with the new Advanced Auto Parts. What is it? I don't remember. No, Unlimited Auto Parts, whatever. And this is a Fly Racing 1-2 finger easy pull, whatever. But yeah, only thing we're really waiting on, we got the seat, of course. We about to put the exhaust on. Maybe, and then we got the swing arm graphics we gonna put on. These just some carb and gas tank stuff. OEM gas tank, whole vent hose and all that stuff. But other than that, we really just gotta hook up the wheels and the brakes, and we're gonna be ready. So hurricane and the power outages, 6 days and no power set us back. This will really be done. Some parts that I didn't have, like this little bracket, I don't know what I did. I'm gonna have to order another one, but we just gonna wait on that. We can zip tie for now if we need to, but it's whatever. But yeah, if I didn't have power for the last 6.5 days, I would have been done by now. But it is what it is, ain't what it ain't. Everything happens for a reason, but for now, here we are. But pretty soon we gonna have a rider. That's it for now. Lego.